Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change the language on Telegram. Telegram is one of the most popular messaging apps, offering a variety of useful features and support for different languages. Whether you want to use Telegram in your native language or switch to another language for greater convenience, this guide will help you achieve that easily and quickly. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First, open your Telegram app. Then, tap the three lines in the top left corner of the screen to open the menu. In the menu, select the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you find the language option and then tap it. Now, simply choose the language you want, and that's it. Quick and easy, right? Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and, of course, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.